Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Appsticademy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download TikTok videos on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the TikTok application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and then using your credentials. Now, after logging into your account, you will once again be taken back into your home page from which you can start scrolling through the various different feeds. Now, if you wish to download any videos, you can tap on the share button at the bottom right corner of the video and you will find the save video button. However, if some user has not set their video to be able to download, then you will not find the save video button. If you find the button, then you can simply click on it and it will be saved to your gallery. However, if you don't, then from the share menu, click on copy link, and once you have copied the link to your video, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in snaptik.app and press enter. Now within the text box, go ahead and paste the video link and you can tap on the download button to proceed with downloading the video that you just selected. You can also choose to download in standard as well as high definition. Just tap on the download button appropriate for you and this will immediately download the video that you provided the link to. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download videos from TikTok. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.